So let's draw the first value change. So what I'm going to do is to quickly just imagine a surface here. And normally I would like to draw like a table. It's like a horizontal line. But I don't want to confuse you. So I just to say, well, if there's an object, it must be put on some like object, right? This is like a ball. It must be standing on some object. And there's a light, so obviously there is a shadow down below. Okay? And I call that shadow, to be honest, all the people call the shadow as a cast shadow. So cast shadow. So basically we got the some place being put on, and they got object, got light source, so it will be the cast shadow. And if there's a cast shadow, it must be darker, so the value will change. So what I'm going to do is to get this value change. I'm going to use a little bit darker here because the cast shadow is like the direct shadow of the object, so that will give you a very hard edges. So as you guys can see, I'm adding these clear cuts of edges here. Okay, got light coming from here, boom, going down. And since it's like a little bit too flat, remember I got this like negative space, right? I can just use the cross contour, and then here, just imagine there's a imaginary line here, and then back, all the way vanish into the negative space, just to give you so much more, right? So much more 3D-ish feeling to that ball, right? So basically we got the cast shadow. I can even make it even bigger, right? Got this clear surface of the casting shadow, right? Can add this clear surface here, as well as a contacting part. Okay, but I'm not worried about what happened inside. Okay, I'm not worried about. I just worry about the edges, because these edges will be like shining here. Boom, got all the way down. Okay, cast shadow.